My bad, guys. I'll be right there, guys. I'll be right there. So I am back with we are continuing the we're continuing the rebuild of the Carolina Panthers, and we are in the Super Bowl, baby, and we are playing Patrick Mahomes in the Super Bowl. Let's get the win, and let's get a Super Bowl ring for the Carolina Panthers and Tua Vailoa. Let's try to run the ball first with Tyler Algier.
Starting the drive with Algier. That's to about the 20.
And we get 3 yards with that.
Give credit to the defense for stringing that play out.
You know me. I like to use the shallow route.
Only giving up a 3-yard gain. The throw over the middle, taken in.
3rd and 3.
Taken down at the 31. 3rd and 3.
Ooh, another short route here.
Working out of the gun.
Is that a first? That's a first. Ooh, press coverage. If I can get one-on-one with the...
From the shotgun, he'll look to throw. He's airing it out for Williams.
Oh, come on, Williams. You're 98 speed. You can't burn that guy. You're telling me Williams can't burn that guy. 98 speed. Wow. I took a big sack. I took a big sack right there.
Now back to throw.
And yep, I need to punt the ball. Punt the ball away. Let's see if the defense gets stop it.
Panthers punter now, as he's on the punt for the first time this afternoon.
The offense is not clicking, man. Man, the offense.
Take it right on the 30.
And our special teams broke too. And we stopped them from getting it. Oh boy, at least we stopped them on the first drive too.
On 1st and 10, it's Algier.
Oh, why can't we not get any good running?
Here, because on that last run, it looks like we have a player who was shaken up. We'll get an update when we come back to Miami.
Welcome to Miami. Short route. Mingo is going to get the ball.
Now a shotgun snap is a look to throw.
Mingo, come on, Mingo. we can't get 1 more yard. He only got 4. Wow. Come on, O-line. 4th and 1.
No gain there on the play, and that's going to leave him with a 4th down. Yes, it's the first half, but we'll see if that stuff there on 3rd and 1 comes back to haunt him.
Yeah, we're going to go for it.
Let's look back as this game
We're going for it.
This is one of the key plays in the game, even though it occurred early.
And what's that? Oh, what kind of throw is that? Alright, we hold it to 3 points, but what was that? You are selling out. You are.
Trying to shake off the interception from the last drive. He'll look to throw.
Oh, we couldn't get.
This will be a gain of about 8 to
Wait,
the
no.
27-yard line. Now the
I don't know what happened on that play, but I did not call it no huddle.
two remaining as we step aside here in
We
this
can't get the running game going. Nothing's working. Our defense is showing up.
They'll give you Algier out of the gun.
But
A timeout here for an injured player. I mean, definitely not what this defense wants to see.
the defense got hurt.
We'll get an update when we come back to Miami.
Let's try to sit and run on the other side. And Algier with the nice run. If one play works, let's do it over and over again until they stop it.
Algier with another carry.
And Algier with another nice. And one of our receivers got hurt.
We'll get an update when we come back to Miami.
Ooh, okay. I like that. I like the man coverage, two deep safety. If that safety comes up, I'm gonna take a deep shot. And he just. I wanted a deep shot, but they would not give it to me. Should we keep it in? Yeah, let's keep it in. We are 2 yards shy of the first down here. Get a nice hole over there, and another defender on the Chiefs is injured. Flowers is going back to that. It's another run. Let's see.
Right back to it on first down.
Tyler Algier breaking the tackle, but he's still not getting the big runs like he used to get. At least he's breaking the tackle.
He'll take this close to a first down at the Chiefs' 15-yard line.
And another Chiefs player is hurt on defense. Wow. Is Tyler Algier that big of a running back?
They need just a yard here. It's 3rd and 1.
Oh, he breaks that one tackle and he can't break the other one.
65 yards rushing for it now in the first half of this Super Bowl.
65 yards rushing already for Tyler Algier.
They'll run here with Algier.
And everyone. What kind of tackle is that? Nobody tackled me. Second and goal. And you cannot get anything. Third and goal. Let's try to. And no.
Defensively, they rallied the troops to force 4th down after that 7-yard pick.
2-minute warning. Oh.
Now here's a defensive timeout called by the Chiefs. It's just their first, so they'll have 2 remaining here before we get to halftime.
We're all tied up in the Super Bowl in the first 3 tie.
So Charles, they are on the board after that kick.
How are we going to give up 3 points? Come on.
On first down, Tagovailoa eluding the pressure right. He's airing it out for Williams. And this is caught.
It's caught. It's caught by Williams.
They give him a gain of 37.
my God! It is.
Chain mover. They're all the way down inside the 40 now for 1st and 10.
It's caught. It's caught.
Here's Tagovailoa to throw.
Come on, Tua. And we get another touchdown. And we're all tied up, folks, in the Super Bowl going into the third quarter. We get the ball back at halftime.
They'll start on the ground.
And they are blitzing me now.
In his tracks behind the line of scrimmage.
I am getting
A loss of
blitzed.
a full 3 yards. And now
I
it's
am
2nd
getting
down.
blitzed hard.
Now Tua.
And I thought he had 99 accuracy on short route. It doesn't look like 99 accuracy on short routes here, man.
Now Tua signaling to change things up.
Oh, poor Brown might be open on the play.
Now on
You
3rd and
never
long,
know.
they'll look to throw. They'll roll it out right. Pass taken in by his big tight
And he,
And he goes out.
Marquise Oliver Brown got the first.
A big play there as they get the conversion on 3rd and 13.
Let's switch it up and let's go back to the inside run. The inside run has been working pretty good for us lately.
Algier now up the middle.
Oh, he just needs to cut inside and I could have got a big run. That could have been a big, huge run.
Sometimes having to hang out all day and play doesn't exactly play to your advantage.
Alright, here we go.
It's been a tough go for him.
And every time he looks up, somebody's there defensively. That was the same case on that play.
Really,
Completion was given up.
really good catch by the tight end, but he got stuck on the other receiver.
In search of 4 yards here to pick up the 1st down.
If he's gonna press cover that guy, I'm gonna
Here's Tua.
just do that. And Marquise has 97 speed, I think, for a tight end. And you put a tight end on a linebacker, yeah, that's not that's not faithful.
Picking up the 1st down.
Oh, why can't we not outrun that guy? First down and more. We're 1 inch shy of. Okay, we get another good run. Another good run there. Let's go for another inside run. I'm hoping this inside run is gonna work again. And no, I picked the wrong hole. What are they?
Defense just knows what you're going to do. Maybe they scouted it perfectly. Maybe someone tipped it off. But on that play,
Alright, here we go. Let's get something here. Another out route by the tight end, Marquise Oliver Brown. We need about 3 more yards for the 1st down. Could this work? Could Mingo get the ball?
Tagovailoa gonna try and throw on 3rd down.
Am I over? Yes, we are. Barely over the line for the 1st down. Barely over the line. We are 1st and goal, and we are.
one thing they did learn, find open areas, find success.
Ooh, our line. And my own lineman is a hurt. touchdown run by Algier, and we are up in the Super Bowl by 8 touchdowns. And then we give up another touchdown. Drive. Great defense. You're really letting the offense down over here.
Tua now on first down. And the throw, that's complete.
Throw by Tua.
They work this to the 29, a gain of 4.
Oh, yeah, that's all Tyler Algier, man. I'm trying to run out the time over here.
Now a handoff to Algier. The completion on first didn't get much.
What was that?
Get a hold out either.
Well, if you're a good play caller,
He tackled me.
and anticipated this type of situation, already down in his play sheet, trying to dial up a big third.
Let's just try to go to the tight end again.
Looking to pass. Tua.
No. If he's gonna go with the tight end, Mingo's gonna be wide open. Yeah, Mingo got wide open. Not a whole lot. Yeah, not a whole lot in the running game on that play. Let's have double dig routes, one by the outside receiver and one by the tight end.
Tua sets up to pass it.
Oh, and we cannot get it. Oh, we gonna lose. We give up. We give up 3 points with 32 seconds left. This is not good.
Now Tua. And that's caught by Williams. And it is headed down, but not before they work it across midfield. This is first and 10. One final try for Tagovailoa. He's airing it out for Williams.
Oh, and we lose the Super Bowl. We realize we lose the freaking Super Bowl. We lose the freaking Super Bowl, and it is not good. We lose the freaking Super Bowl, people. And I think that was our only chance at the Super Bowl. It seems like we're not gonna get back to the Super Bowl. People, we lost to the Kansas City Chiefs and Patrick Mahomes. What a devastation loss for us. We were the number 1 seed in the NFC. We make it all the way to the Super Bowl and we lose it at the Super Bowl, folks. That's how it works sometimes. You can never Anyway, guys, I am gonna rebuild with another team in the next video. This was the last video for the Carolina Panthers. I know we couldn't go out with the Super Bowl, but we did have a successful rebuild, and I loved it. And if you enjoyed this one, I'll do my best to rebuild another team. And yeah, so if you watched this video and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please push that little red button. You know, it's free to push the little button, and I would really appreciate it. And in the comments, leave the next team you want me to rebuild. So, sorry about that, my voice is going out. Anyway, like I said, in the comment section, leave what team that you want me to build next, and I will try my best to rebuild that team and get to a Super Bowl and win it this time. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Like I always say, stay safe, be positive, and go Pack Go. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright, guys, you guys have a great one. Bye bye. Peace.